When we look across our customer base, the #1 horizontal use case for Hadoop is actually for cybersecurity, and it's being used in this very way. But Alan, you've got some exciting news, I think, for the community, that it's not just about Hadoop, the technology, but how we as a community can collaborate and work together in defending our networks.
Yep.
And so maybe you can share a little bit about this new open source project.
I'd love to, Tom. And so we've released a project as a community called Open Network Insight. And this was formed, Cloudera and Intel partnered starting last year around this idea and this notion that we can leverage machine learning and advanced analytics along with a big data platform to help us identify suspicious behavior within network traffic. Again, looking for things that are hiding in plain sight. And so what you see on that screen is actually real today. This is something that you can go download. Each and every one of us can go get today and start using, right from Open Network Insight from our GitHub site.
So just think of this. Not only is Hadoop the right technology platform that we're all so familiar with, but now with Open Network Insights, your teams can actually download this, start loading in your network traffic, run the algorithms that are pre-built, have a user interface, and start finding the anomalies on your network. And then with supervised learning, determine which ones are bad or not bad, and really help your IT teams focus in on the most nefarious activity on the network. It's very, very powerful.
And I think another great thing about this capability is that the way that it's built around this framework of using the Jupyter notebooks, and this technique allows everyone from your data scientists through your developers and your analysts to all use the same utility and the same tool, communicate in the same language, follow the same workflows. So it's really exciting.
So here's what we have. We have a shared open data model that's about your network. And there's nothing proprietary about your network traffic. All network traffic is the same, but now we have a shared data model, which next what we're going to do is we're going to work on endpoint data models and user data models. And we have community partners helping us build those data models. And when we do that, there's tremendous advantages for our customers because they can now plug and play different vendor solutions into their common data model, and even customers can now start sharing use cases with other peer companies that are sharing a common data model. It facilitates community collaboration.
It does, and as we expose the data models, new applications can be created that will be interoperable, and we will have interfaces that people can use programmatically in order to get access to the data. And in this way, we're really growing that community, because without a community, we're going to be at odds with this attack landscape for a long period of time. The only way for us to really succeed is to come together as a community.